Hey, do you think you have what it takes to be a pilot? No, not you, that fine mustachioed dapper gentleman behind you. Who, me? Absolutely.
This is our flight simulator, an advanced aviation training device. It's good for instrument training, currency, and flows.
So how do I start the engine? All right, to turn on the simulator, first we have to turn on the surge protector. Right over here, button at the top. Turn the power button on the CPU. It's on when the light turns blue. To turn the motion system on, we'll press the green button. It'll test itself by going back and forth. Now I'll yell contact, and you start the hand prop. Contact! No, it doesn't work that way, but we will connect to the Wi-Fi so that we can set the plane up. All right, first we're gonna go to our settings tab. And under the Wi-Fi, we're gonna look for RedBird Navigator. We're gonna connect to it. And most likely it's going to ask you for a password. The password is navigator in all lowercase and the numbers 123 with no spaces. Once you've connected, you go to sim.redbirdflight.com. Dispatch our flight, and we have several scenarios to pick from. Make sure you turn your motion on. Start flight. Sure, with the Wi-Fi and the internets. I thought the internets was the inside of my swim trunks. You can also go here to the instructor station and change various features of the flight. Weather allows you to change the conditions from Cat 1 all the way to clear skies, scattered rain showers, snowstorms, heavy rain, wintry mix, wind direction, and turbulence. We can also change our position by entering any kind of airport navigate or waypoint. We can do KGPM. It gives us the option of being on the ground or in the air. You can pick your altitude, your heading, or what radial and distance you'd like to be from the course. You can also simulate different failures, change the time, day or night, and increase the reality that it goes through if you're on a long straightaway and like to speed it up. And see your position back on the map. All right, within the plane, you want to make sure that the key's on, that the master's on, your switches are up, you have power in, flaps out, mixture in. To pause and unpause, you press this button. To end the simulation, you push this button. You want to make sure that you check your Hobbs time before you start and end to make sure you're being charged appropriately. This looks right. Why is the ground in the sky? Barrel rolls. So easy a Pollock could do it. You can't say that. Now you have what it takes to be a real pilot and fly for fake. And together, we can beat the Kaiser. Did he just say the Kaiser?